I don't know what the problem is. It's weird.
Hi again. Well, it's been a few days, and yesterday was a good luck day. I was walking and I found $100 on the sidewalk. I picked it up. I put it through a machine to make sure it wasn't fake, so I could buy something with it. I bought a lot of things. Then someone gave me the lollipop, but they bought it for me, so I didn't have to pay. And I wanted one. It was purple, great, my favorite. Yum! But then something also good happened. Someone bought themselves a sweater, then they started jumping around screaming, and then they didn't like it anymore. So they gave it to me. It was just my size, and I needed a sweater. It was my favorite color, too. Yesterday was a fun day because I had good luck. So I was dancing around taking pictures of myself again because I was so lucky and awesome. So then also that day I bought myself a necklace. It's a magical good luck necklace, so that'll happen again. But you're watching Disney Channel. No, actually, I'm watching Disney Channel. Well, I was, but now it's watching me. So, I am very happy because yesterday was a good luck day, and I know how to play the piano. Very happy. I was dancing around like a crazy person, and then I fell. I found a fake nail. Yes! And I finally have a pick for my guitar. They work. So even though I fell that day, I still had good luck. Now I bet the next time I fall, I will find a couple dollars or an eraser, something like that I want. And I really need a brush. Whoa! Hey, there's a brush! I told you I'd have a lot of good luck. I told you I had a lot of good luck because of yesterday. It was a great day. I fell 3 times, found $100. Someone gave me their lollipop, someone gave me their sweater, well, they weren't crazy, and I found a brush. So, I'm very happy. Taking away that I ate glue, I had a very fun weekend. Well, not only that, but I bought myself this. It's a couch. It rolls into a chair. See how it's a couch? Nice. Very nice. And then you take this part up, and this part goes in, and ta-da! It's a chair. Well, I had fun that day. And I realized I could dance really fast. I think it was because of that necklace. Oh yeah! Oh, that also makes a cool noise. I want to I can play guitar and keyboard.
I don't have a problem this here.
I can dance.
What happened to my cafe, Ashline? I don't know what's wrong with it. I've got like new customers. You know what would be wrong?